Maybe you are posting daily and you have got a busy routine and you do not want to post the same thing on all the social media accounts one by one. So what is the solution and what is the actual way to post on all social accounts at once? I watched many tutorials, but none of them actually really helped. It can also include the YouTube channels too. So what you have to do is you have to first of all open up your Instagram account. Why Instagram? You'll just get to know in a minute. And after opening Instagram, you have to tap on the search button available next to your profile picture available at the right. If you have not updated Instagram, your search button may be at the top. And after that, you have to tap on the search bar available at the top and search here how to official 0. And if you have written the right spellings, then this Instagram account will appear up. So you have to tap on it and next tap on this message button available on this profile and write a message here. I want you to post on all of my social accounts. And you can also write the duration like daily or weekly or whatever your posting routine is. You can also include the names of the social accounts you want to post daily, for example, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and all the other accounts that you have, and simply send this message. Now this is my Instagram account and I will work as your social media manager, and I am very expert in it and I can handle all of your social accounts at once. Whatever your posting routine is, you have to just submit me the matter and I will post it over all of your social accounts. But of course this is gonna cost you some money, so do not message me if you're not ready to pay. And if you think I'm just a scam or I'm just lying, let me show you some proofs. Here's a client. I had provided my other services to her and you can see that she is satisfied. And as this message is from 2023, it means I have been providing my services from a very long time. And here's another one. You can see that he's also saying a thanks to me after providing my services. And after that, he had sent me a payment. And my inbox is full of all the people who needed some kind of services and I have successfully provided them. You too will gain trust on me when you'll message me on my Instagram account. Believe you me that this is the only working solution up to the day. The other tools and softwares they are telling you are fake and they are gonna also charge you money, and they are also not customized according to every social platform. So if you really want a human to manage your accounts, you can go with the trick I told you. Thank you so much.